Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of my finished jewelry for the Bargain Bead box for May of 2024 Tropical Heat Collection. I had 5 tutorials, was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I had 5 tutorials and an unboxing. I was very busy this month. So I'm going to start with the first one. And by the way, I do have a coupon code for Bargain Bead box. The coupon code is BNJ2 for $2 off your first box. And I will leave a link below. I think this is the way this one goes. So this one, you have to see it when it's hanging on the neck. But I did a tutorial for this. And it was kind of like an asymmetrical necklace. And it had the flowers hanging on it like this. And I will leave pictures up. I will put the thumbnail up of this. But this was so much fun to make. And it looks so cute when it's on. It's harder to be able to see it when it's laying down, but when you're wearing it, it is so cute. So this was my first one. Put this aside. And then my second one was the Carnelian one. And this one got a lot of views, a lot of response from people saying they really loved this. I did this a little different here, and I actually sewed these in groups of 3 with the Miyuki seed bead there in between to make like spacer beads for this. And then a couple people had asked how to use these, hoops because they didn't have any holes in them. And so I told them I would make something to show how I used it. So then you just use the gold spacers. And then I used some of my own, I think it was 6/0 seed beads and some of my fire polish beads. So, and then I just kind of intertwine that. And then here I put some of my seed beads on the jump rings. I like doing that because it takes kind of a plain jump ring and it kind of adds some interest to it, makes it look a little more dressed up, if that makes sense. So, yeah, so this was my second one then. And I made the earrings, did the same thing with that little, sewing that little piece right there. And then the third was my earring tutorial for these cute earrings. I love the way these turned out as well. And see, I put the seed beads on the jump rings because it adds some sparkle, kind of dresses up the jump ring. So I got little pieces of here. I have this on a black, one of those black little matted things, so little pieces are falling off. So I did these, and then I just sewed this with the seed beads in between them, tied that off, and then did a little hoop right there and adjusted, put the ring in there, tied that off, and then added the jump ring, 2 jump rings like that, and then a smaller jump ring at the top. And you have your little hoop dangle earrings. So that's 3. And the next was the other ones. I did 2 earring tutorials. So I made 3 pairs of earrings. One of them was with the necklace. And this was another one where I just sewed it and then attached it to the gemstone. So this one is supposed to look like this when it's hanging on. It's not like this. So you could see the hoop kind of from this side. So I thought that was kind of fun. And then I just added the jump ring and put the nickel-free ear wire. And this is what I had. I still got quite a bit left over too as well, which I was shocked. And then this, you could actually put these together as a pair. 1 second. This was my last one. And with this, I loved these sunshine triangle cut beads. And then I added the chain. And then, like I said, I put some seed beads on the jump ring in green, just to give it a little pop. Then I added some blue and green to give it some pop as well. So we have that. And then I actually could do this and do this like a set if I wanted to, because it does have those beads there. And this smaller one is supposed to match this one. It's a little off in color, but not much. So yeah, I had a really fun time with this month's box. It like, you know, I did add my own colors to it, like I said, because I always like doing that. So this had the green, I think those are 80, or yeah, I think those are 80 seed beads. And then these are like a dark blue, deep blue 3mm fire polish bead. And then I added my little 11/0 gold seed beads. So this is everything for this month's box, and I had an absolute blast making it. I will leave all of these links below, as well as the unboxing link. So if you are not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, usually the boxes are $22.99 a month, and usually they're valued between $60 and $75. You know, they have a lot of gemstones in there. So it's really a nice box, especially if you're a beginner beader, because it gives you a little bit of everything, and each month is a little bit different. So it's a great box if you're looking to get a subscription. So, and like I said, my coupon code is BNJ2 for $2 off your first box. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you everyone for watching, and stay tuned for the next video that I have set up. I know you're gonna love it, and all of my information is below in the description, along with all of these links. And you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.